So what's up guys, this is the second video of how to make a maze game in Scratch. So in the first episode we created a player that can't go through walls, and we make the maze, and today it's going to be a short video. We're gonna create a start screen. I said in the first episode that we're gonna make more levels in this video, but that's going to be in the third episode. Okay, so change all the when green flag clicks when I receive start broadcast. If you don't have broadcast like this, just make a new broadcast and call it start. And you can call it start name game. Name does not matter. I'm gonna call it start game. Okay, so we're gonna do a show block. We have to put a show block in here, and when green flag clicked, hide. Okay, so let's go to the player sprites and do the same thing. Change the when green flag click when I receive start game, and we and put a show block here, and the when green flag clicked hide. Okay, let's try that. As you can see, we just see a white screen. So let's fix that. Let's make a new backdrop. Or you can just use this backdrop with the bitmap. Then choose a color. I'll choose okay. Wait, why is it not working? I don't know why it's not working. I'll just draw a rectangle. Wait. Center it into the corner. Oh, it is good. Wait, so what? Alt. Okay. So I'm gonna call this. Wait. Start. Okay, let's go into the code tab, and when green flag clicked, switch backdrop to start. Okay, and as you can see, it switched backdrop to the backdrop that we just created. Okay, so now let's make a button, and when we click the button, the game starts. Let's make a very smooth button. You can choose a sprite or paint your own button. I'm gonna choose Scratch buttons. Now this button looks cool. Why is it not loading? Why is it not there? Wait, I'll just choose the green one now. Oh, it's here. But I want the gray one. Okay, I'm gonna delete this costume, and let's call this button. Let's do start. Sorry. Okay, let's write start in here. Yeah, I'll choose pixel, because pixel. Where is it? Pixel. Okay. So let's make it a little bigger, and center it into the corner, and center the button to wait. Okay, this is good. We can make it a little bigger. Okay, this is good. Okay, we're gonna use clones, because maybe we'll add more buttons in the future, episodes. So when green flag clicked, I accidentally opened my backpack. Hide, because we're gonna use clones. Create clone of myself. When I start as a clone, let's make a new variable, call it button. For this sprite only. Set button 0 and create clone of myself. Okay, put an if then else. Button equals 0. Okay, maybe you think what's going to do if we just do create clone of myself and take this if it we just fine, but in the future episodes we're gonna need this, so just do set button to 0 and create clone of myself. Okay, and here we're gonna put switch costume to start. Let's go to 0x 0y 0. Let's test that. Wait. Sorry guys. And you have to put a show block at the very top of the when I start as a clone script. Because we hide this right in here. Okay, let's try that. Yeah, we have a button. But let's make it bigger when the mouse pointer touches it. Okay, so put a forever loop. You can just do this in a forever loop. Or only, okay, like this. Put this in a forever loop for now. And let's put an if then else. Button, oh no, not button. Touching mouse pointer. Wait. Touching mouse pointer. Yeah. Wait. Was it okay? Not a set size, but a change size. And take a divided by block. And in the left side, put a minus block. And put in the left side of the minus block, put how big you want it to be when the mouse pointer touches it. I'm gonna say 120. And then here we're gonna put size and divide it by how bigger this number in here is, how smoother it is. Okay, I'm gonna do 5. You can change these values if you want. Don't have to do it like I do it. And set size to change the 100. Yeah, okay. As you can see, it's very smooth. Let's make. I'm gonna change to 150. Oh no, that's too big. Then 40. Maybe 125 is good. Yeah, 125 is good. Okay. So now, if you want that the brightness effect changes when it touches the mouse pointer, you don't have to do that, but you can do that. In the else, put set brightness effect to 0. In the if, put a set brightness effect to, let's say 20. Okay, and change this to 10 or 8. Okay, 8 is good. You can change these values. Okay. Now we're gonna make that if you want that it moves slowly up and down, you can add that, but you don't have to add that. Just do a set y2 under the if, and then use a multiplied by operator and the sign of, and another multiplied by operator. Okay, and I'm gonna put in here 5 and here 300. Here you put how, how, so how up, how much it changes the Y from, how much changes Y and his Y position, and here how fast it goes, I think. Or maybe it's, I don't remember it, sorry guys. But can just play these values. I did it wrong. Wait, sign off. Oh no guys, you have to do it by timer multiplied by the number you want, and then put it in the sign off operator and put it in here. Like that. Yeah. Oh. Guys, you have to put here how much it changed the Y position, and here how fast it goes, I think. Yeah, look, works. Okay, let's change this to 20. Okay, that's a little bit too much. 10. 10 is good. Okay, so now let's make that we can click it. So, and then the game starts when we click it. Okay, put on if in the touching mouse pointer, mouse down, then wait until not mouse down, and then if touching mouse pointer, then let's say hello for now, and let's test that. Say hello. Okay, if we hold it, does nothing, but yeah, we did it. It said hello. Okay, so let's take the say hello block, and now let's change this with this broadcast start game block. And if you want a new backdrop, just paint a new backdrop and then put a switch backdrop to add that backdrop. You create it block. And yeah, goodness, I think you understand me. Yeah, whatever. Okay. And then stop the script block in here. Stop the script and hide or delete clone. Take the stop block and replace the delete clone block. Let's try that. Yeah, the game starts. So wait one moment, guys. Guys, I'm back. Okay. So as you can see, we have a button, and then yeah, the game starts when we click the button. It's very cool. Yeah. I'll see you in the next episode. Yeah. Bye bye.